Hello, my name is Samantha Carball. I took Bryan Stratton College to become Assistant Early Child Development Teacher. My portfolio shows my name, a comment about myself in the yellow sticky note here, some goals, and my educational background is strictly with Stratton Bryan College. I've been there since 2019, and I've just finished my associate's degree in 2021. I just started looking for a job with using my associate's degree that I earned at a daycare center. I've never worked at one before, but I have volunteered background in early child education at a Reese's Center in my area. In my Create account, I've also attached my CABS article worksheet where I've done some of my work in my previous courses, so you can see how I connect the outcome of the program to how I think I did on the course. I also think it's very neat how once I see it all put together, what I've learned and how the out course comes is pretty neat. It's a lot of work, but I'm glad I stuck with it and accomplished it and got it done.